Listen, I'm trying to tell you guys, you just got to do it. I know it hurts. I know it's painful. You just got to do it because your whole life is going to change. I'm telling you, you won't get this opportunity again. And don't think that you can quit and then jump back on. It doesn't work like that. You got to take care of it now. You got to do whatever it takes. Okay. And I promise you, you will not regret it. Okay. Show me another program out there that's making these bigger transformations. I don't know where it is. I've never seen it before. And I dream and I create this as a dream. This is what it should be like. And so we're creating this dream. But to participate in the dream, you got to be on board. You got to be fully committed. Okay, if your mind's not right, like this is pushing your mind, pushing your comfort zone. It's taking everything in you and just restructuring it to be successful in this world, right? And so you could either go with it or you could fight it. Okay, I know a lot of y'all mad at my critiques and all of that. Why are you doing that? Why are you saying that? I get it, but it's for your good. Okay, it might not be good to you, but it's gonna be good for you. Okay, and it's gonna take you some time to understand. But listen, I don't get no smoke once a person has gotten a job. Oh, they love me then. All right, I get a little hate mail as you're going through the program. I understand it. I get it. But trust me, you need someone to push you there so you can know what it's like. Okay, you need to know what it's like to be on the other side and feel that pressure and go through these experiences. But this 1 year of experience is going to last a lifetime for you. Okay, so just keep on pushing hard. Keep on pushing hard. And the only reason you will not make it through this program is if you quit. That's it. Okay, nobody can stop you from making it through this program and getting to this good life except you. Okay, even my wife went through the program. Oh, it was hell. She fought me the whole way. Why is it like this? Why do we do this? Why do we do that? Right? Now she's doing well, management, all of that good stuff, So I get it, guys. I get it. But, you just got to keep on doing it. Okay. And at the end of the day, those of you saying, oh, I should have been placed months ago, don't worry about it. Because I've never seen anybody achieve success and say, you know what? I should have done it in 5 years instead of, I should have done it in 6 months instead. Nobody looks at that once you get it done, because you either get it done or you don't. Okay, all the semantics, all of this stuff that you put in front of your face, it's irrelevant. Once you get there, you're there. Okay, that's all you're going to care about. Okay, so just keep on pushing. Yeah, things didn't go perfectly like you would have liked them to look, but nothing does. Okay, nothing does. Life doesn't work like that. Life does not work on your time. You set times. You hope that you will achieve it, but life doesn't work on your time. So don't consider your success based on some arbitrary time that you set. That means nothing. Okay, what matters is you make it through, you become successful, you change your life. Okay, keep on going there. I'm gonna also show you how to retire, how to take your money, make it work for you and retire. But that's on the alumni side. You got to make it to that side first. So it's a lot, guys. We're talking about a complete transformation of what your life is now to what your life can be. And every month, first Thursday of the month, we're going to give you 4 examples of people's lives that have been changed and the type of things they're doing, buying houses, going on vacation, having a much better life. That's what this is about. And so I hope this serves as a little motivation in your day to help you say, you know what? I was tripping. Let me get back on my grind. All right. So same time, same place next month. It's a Good Life event. Thank you guys for coming out.